WMHC, the network of the Westport Museum for History and Culture, in partnership with CTbites, presents the History Happy Hour, part of Westport Museum's Historic Foodways programming, in support of the hard-hit Connecticut restaurant industry. This series offers you history you can drink to via the talents of Connecticut's best bartenders and mixologists. Please support their establishments. In 1920, the Volstead Act made it illegal to produce or consume alcohol in the United States. During this Prohibition era, underground bars called speakeasies sold homemade liquor called bathtub gin. Sweet and sour drinks like the bee's knees were popular and disguised the harsh flavor of the illicit hooch. In 1922, the Westport Hotel on the corner of Main Street and Post Road was raided for violating prohibition laws, and in 1926, a servant of local industrialist and teetotaler E.T. Bedford was arrested for making bathtub gin on the estate. Today's cocktail is the Buzzed Bee, Jessup Hall Westport's take on the bee's knees, a popular Prohibition-era drink created by Jessup Hall Westport's general manager, Brandon Hahn.
All right, guys, so we're going to make our Buzzed Bee cocktail today. This is our spin on the bee's knees, which is a classic Prohibition-era cocktail made with gin, lemon, and honey. Our version is going to come with vodka instead of gin, and we're going to add also spicy ginger syrup. So in order to make it, I have my honey syrup here, which is, you want to use local honey with equal parts hot water. I also have my fresh lemon juice. Anytime you're using citrus in a cocktail, you want to make sure you have freshly juiced citrus. And then finally, I have my spicy ginger syrup, which is really easy to make. You just want to buy fresh ginger. You want to peel the ginger and put it through a food processor or a fruit juicer. And you're just going to cook it down. I have it cooking right here with some equal parts Demerara sugar, just to make the ginger syrup.
That's it. So equal parts ginger juice and to Demerara sugar, equal parts.
Equal parts. And then we shake it with vodka, top it off with honey. So let's make one right now. I have equal parts, ½ ounce of my honey syrup, ½ ounce of my lemon juice, and ½ ounce of the spicy ginger syrup. And then I'm going to grab my vodka. You can use any neutral-based spirit. We can use gin, tequila, rum is totally fine, but I'm going to use vodka for this one today. And then we're just going to shake this.
It's a good shake.
Yeah. And then we're just going to fill it up in our highball glass here. Top it off with ice. And then finally just hit it with some soda.
Nice.
And just a little lemon to garnish. And there's your Buzzed Bee cocktail.
For the recipe of this episode's drink, along with the original Bee's Knees recipe, please visit virtualhistorywestport.org and click on Historic Foodways. You can also drink to the music of the Jazz Age with our Speak Easy playlist on Spotify. Just follow Westport Museum.